Hi friends, you're welcome to Orasis Online Maths. This is the platform where we remind ourselves and learn everyday mathematics. In today's class, we shall be solving this problem before us. We are asked to find the solution set of x squared plus 4x minus 5 greater than 0. Here, we will see that this equation that we are given here is inequality because of the existence of this greater than. Okay, but not just inequality, but what? Quadratic inequality. This is how to go about it. First and foremost, let's solve for this. Let's factorize this quadratic expression. Only this quadratic expression, let's factorize it. Okay, and when we want to factorize this in a very fast and quick way, greater than 0. Okay, now we put our x here, we put our x here. Okay, our sum here is plus 4. If our sum is plus 4 and our product which we have here, coefficient 1 here times minus 5, our product is minus 5. So let's look for the factors of minus 5 such that if we add them together, is going to give us plus 4. Definitely we shall have minus 1 times 5. Minus 1 times 5 will give us minus 5, and minus 1 plus 5 will give us plus 4. Hence, our factors are minus 1 and 5. So we shall put minus 1 here, then plus 5. Okay? Now, having done that, the next step for us to take, we have already factorized it, is for the next step we are going to take is what? Let's say that x plus 1 into x plus 5 equals 0. Okay, let's assume that. Then, definitely it shows that our x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 5 also be equal to 0. Hence, our x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 5. Okay, having obtained these two factors, or the factors of this equation. Now, having obtained that, or the roots of this quadratic equation, then these are the possible values which we are going to place on our number line. These are the possible values we are going to place on our number line. Then how do we do that? First and foremost, remember our number line. Our number line, the negative side is our left side, while the positive side is our what? The right side. So our negative side here is what? In our answer, we have minus 5. So let's put our minus 5 here. Minus 5 here. Then plus 1. We shall put plus 1 here. Then what next? Let's bring our factors. What are our factors? That is our factors of this quadratic inequality. Here, that is this x minus 1, then x plus 5. We place it this way. Then we ask ourselves, that is, what are the possible values that are what? Possible values, numeric values that are less than minus 5. We have minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 500, and so on and so forth. So let's pick any one of them. Let's say minus 6 after this minus 5. So minus 6, if we put minus 6 here, that is x minus, okay, we have x minus 1. Let's assume our x is minus 6 now. Picking minus 6, that is below here, minus 6, that is minus 6 minus 1. We shall have minus 7. Hence, we put negative sign here. Minus 6 minus 1, we shall have negative 7. Hence, we put minus here. Now, let's move further. Between minus 5 and 1, okay, there are series of many numbers there, okay? We can see minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and so on and so forth. Pick any one. Let's pick 0, okay? That is putting x to be 0 here. That is putting x to be 0 here. That will be 0 minus 1. Our value will definitely equals to negative. Okay, taking. Then afterwards, any value above 1, we can pick 2. Okay, you can pick 3. So if you put 2 here, 2, that is 2 minus 1, we shall have positive 1. Okay, that is how to do it. Then we repeat the same process for this factor as well. Then let's go. Let's pick any value below this. Let's pick below minus 5. Okay, let's pick minus 7. Okay, minus 7 plus 5. Minus 7 plus 5 will give you minus 2. So let's put our minus here. Okay, taking. Then let's pick between minus 5 and 1. You can pick any value. You can pick, let's say, -4. -4 is bigger than -5, right? So -4 plus 5, we shall have +1. So we put positive value there. Also, above 1, values above 1, we have 3, 4, 5, 6. If you put 3 here, that is 3 plus 5, we shall have 8. So that will be positive as well. So if we are able to obtain this table correctly, we have gotten to, in fact, 90% solution of this problem. Then what next are we going to do? Now let's multiply these two together. Why do we multiply it? Looking at it from this question, that is, these two factors multiply greater than 0. Let's multiply minus times minus, we shall have plus. Then plus times minus, we shall have minus, right? Then plus times plus, we shall have plus as well. Now, this is the final table. We have completed this table now. The next question now for us is that we should ask ourselves, out of these 3 results that we have here, which one of them can be greater than 0 according to our question? Can be greater than 0 according to our question. Definitely positive be greater than 0, yes. So this is possible, it is achievable. Then negative, no, can never be greater than 0, of course. Likewise, this can also be greater than 0. So where we obtain positive are the possible region that satisfy this question. That is, these are the solution sets. What do I mean now? It means, what are the values? It means our x, where we obtain this positive. It means the values that when we obtain positive are what? The value that are what? Less than -5. They are less than -5, right? Good. So this is the region. Likewise, this x, which are this one? Those that are greater than +1. Greater than +1. So therefore, if you want to write this in combined inequality, that is, you want to combine this and this. If x is less than -5, if x is less than -5 and our x is also greater than 1, we want to combine the two together. If x is less than -5, it means -5 is what? Greater than x. Definitely. If x is less than -5, then -5 is greater than x. Therefore, we combine it with this and this. Hence, this is the possible solution set for this quadratic inequality: x squared plus 4x minus 5 greater than 0. If you enjoyed this, please do make sure you drop your own question as well. Drop your comments, like our videos, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye for now.